So, I just wanted to put a disclosure on some of my videos when I'm out with like scorpions or whatever, or snakes, or just out with wildlife. But all my videos, use at your own risk. Do not try this without proper training or experience. And this video is for entertainment purposes only. Cool. Thanks. I thought it would be fun to go out after all the rain we got last night with the giant thunderstorms. We got rain! It's raining in the desert! Finally! And just see if there were any scorpions out and about and if that affects them or what. But it'll just be fun. Usually you can see pretty far away. They glow so bright. And here's a hose. I try not to, and then majority of these rocks react to the UV with that bright orange glow. And I thought it was the rocks, but the more Chris and I researched it, it's like a coating on the rocks, like a calcite coating. But it's still really cool. Just like all the rocks, not all the rocks, but a lot of the rocks around here have that. Right. Just debris and things. Oh, geez. Right by the hose. Oh my goodness. I didn't even see that. And there's just like other... This is a little scorpion. And it must be the... man, it's right by my hose. I was gonna get those all wrapped up. So I'm not putting my main beam on it. I think that bothers them. It's so bright. There we go. So I'm just kind of having my side light. That's crazy. It's right by my hose. Little scorpion. I don't know if that's a bark or like the Arizona striped tail, I think. I'll have to check. I'm going to try to put it on flash. So see if we can see him. Or her. Oh, it's ready. Let's see here. There it is. Oh, wow. That's definitely a scorpion. Whoa. Watch where I'm going here. It's just, oh wow. Just hanging out under these bricks. So that is a different species than what we were just looking at. That is probably a Arizona hairy scorpion. It's huge. It's in the bricks, just doing its own thing. Alright, let's turn the flash on. Not gonna bug you long, I just want to get a picture. Hey! That is a big scorpion. Hey! So, let's get a pic. I'm not gonna shine that on you, but there you are. Just hiding under that brick like that. Alright. That's it. Just seeing what you're doing. Carry on. Let's see how bright that glows. I think that's a scorpion, yep. It's another little one. Wow. Alright. I'm going to turn on, bug. Turn on the light and see if we can get an ID. And they blend in with the ground. that one does not seem to have a stripe on it like the other one did. That might be bark, but I don't know. I am going on my way. Got a picture? Heading out. Do your thing, little one. Alright. We're just checking on the emus. They're talking quite a bit tonight. Anyways, I think the scorpions, I came and checked the emu coop too, but we didn't see any scorpions. I was wrong. I just got on the other side of the emu coop and there's this teeny tiny little scorpion. That is super tiny. That is one small little scorpion. It's kind of in the mud from the rainstorm. That's crazy. This is where the emus kind of walk around. So there's a scorpion right in an emu track right there. Like a scorpion in a dinosaur track. Alright, let's see if I can get a picture. You are tiny. I can't even see you really without the UV. Here we go. That is one small scorpion. Wow. There we go. That's tiny. Alright, well, I'll go find a shovel. Look at how little that scorpion is compared to the emu's footprint, mud print. There's a scorpion in the emu mud print, footprint from the storm last night. That's crazy. Oh crap. That was a spider. Well, that's not good either. That doesn't look like a good spider. Alright. Okay, I got a shovel. I don't want to hurt it. I just want to move it. So I'm going to put it in the bucket. There we go. Okay, little one is in the bucket. Whew. To the desert and let it go. Alright, this looks like a perfect spot where I'm going to see if he'll grab the stick. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, you're free, little one. Coming back from the emu coop, and one thing I have noticed is like below the hummingbird feeders, I found the big Arizona hairy scorpion a few nights ago under a hummingbird feeder, and then tonight, like coming back from the emu coop, I just found another tiny one under a hummingbird feeder. So I don't know if they're getting nectar or bugs, I don't know, but here's the other one. And here's the hummingbird feeder. So, turn that off for a sec. Just another, ooh, I don't know, I think that one's striped, but I'm not sure. There's a lot of scorpions out tonight. After that rain, probably. I don't know. Alright, let's get a picture of this one. Turn the flash back on. Let's see here. There it is. I don't know what you are. Okay. See it there. And then just sitting right under the hummingbird feeder. Oops. There you go. As it gets later, I'm just finding more and more scorpions tonight. There's another one. What is going on? That's a lot of scorpions. Alright, so I'm going to take the flash off. That's a little bigger, like a small one, but a little bigger. Let's see if I can focus it. There. Oh, crazy. That's a lot of scorpions. Let's see if I can get ID. Picture. Alright, heading out. Whew. Jeez, there's another one. Little super tiny one. Oh man. That's like right next to the other one I just recorded. Holy cow. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. There's a lot of scorpions. Holy cow. Must have been the rainstorm. Because, like, here's the other one. And then here's the other one. Like, under my clothesline. That's a lot of scorpions. Didn't expect that many. Alright. So it's like an hour later, and I thought it would be cool to see if that big hairy scorpion was still out and about, but I don't see it anymore. Maybe this is its home. I didn't even notice that before. Fin Dog and I were going in, and just right by the steps, there's a scorpion. Yeah, and these small ones are definitely the dominant species. Oh, why there's cows out there. So I'm gonna get a picture. ID'd. A lot of scorpion. Right by our steps. Fin Dog. Let's get in. There's a lot of scorpions out. Scorpions everywhere. That one's ready.